So today is the ninth day of the main LeetCode 30-day challenge. The problem will be value perfect square. So we're given a parsed integer number. We're asked to write a function which returns true if number is a perfect square, else false. And we cannot use any built-in library functions such as sqrt. So basically, this comes up with a very straightforward solution because we know that sum of all odd numbers will give us the perfect square number. So we can use this property to write the solution and here. And the solution will run in linear time complexity, or say proportional to the magnitude of number, and space complexity will be the constant. And this will obviously work. But it is very slow if your number is very big. So we can now optimize this to log to the base of 2 number, and space complexity can still be constant. And how can we do in log time complexity? Basically, the solution will be bisection method. So the bisection method is very similar to that of the binary search, and this is the binary search style of finding a square root of a function. And now we have the function we are going to find is x squared equals to y, where y is the given number. So here we calculate the midpoint of the interval c first, which is the middle point for search, and we calculate the function value at the midpoint fc. So the fc will be the x squared or xi squared if the input is xi. Then we find that, for example, if we want to find the value of the square root of this 25, then the function will be x squared equals to 25. And then if the midpoint we found is 6, however, 6 squared is 36, and then 36 is much greater than 25. So it is at this part, and then we should decrease our search upper bound to 6, because for any positive integer greater than 6, it cannot be the answer because we are searching for x squared equals to 25, and that number greater than 6 will definitely generate the number greater than 36, and vice versa for the number lesser than 5, say 3, and the square of 3 is 9, and 9 is much smaller than 5, so we should set our lower bound of search to 3, because for any number lesser than 3, it cannot be answered, like 2 or 1 or 0, because that will be further from 5. Okay, and now let's see how this works. So we first set the search lower bound L equals to 0 and upper bound R equals to number, while L is less than R, less than or equal to long mid equals to L plus R minus L divided by 2, and long square m sqm equals to m times m. And if sqm is greater than number, then we decrease the upper bound of search, r equals to n minus 1, else if sqn is lesser than number, then r equals to n plus 1, else, L equals to n plus 1, and else return true because we find the answer, and return false. Okay, and this is the 9th day of the LeetCode May 30-day challenge. And thank you for watching. See you in tomorrow's video.